Sushi is a beloved Japanese dish that has captured the hearts and palates of people worldwide. The history of sushi goes back over 1,000 years, originating in Southeast Asia as a way to preserve fish by storing it in rice that had been soaked in vinegar. The rice acted as a natural preservative, while the vinegar prevented the fish from spoiling. During the 8th century, sushi was introduced to Japan, where it gradually evolved into the form we know today. Japanese sushi masters began experimenting with different ingredients and techniques, such as adding raw fish and seafood to the rice, and using bamboo mats to shape the sushi into bite-sized portions. Over time, sushi became a popular street food in Japan, and by the 19th century, sushi restaurants began to emerge. Today, sushi is enjoyed all over the world and has become an iconic dish of Japanese cuisine. One of the great things about sushi is its versatility. There are many different types of sushi, each with its own unique taste and texture. For example, nigiri is a type of sushi made with a small ball of rice topped with a slice of raw fish or seafood, while maki rolls consist of sushi rice and various ingredients such as raw fish, vegetables, or egg, all rolled up in a sheet of seaweed. Other types of sushi include tamaki, karashi, and inari. In addition to its delicious taste, sushi is also considered a healthy food choice. It is low in fat and calories and high in protein. Sushi can also be a cultural experience, as it is deeply rooted in Japanese tradition and cuisine. However, there are also some concerns associated with sushi. For one, sushi can be quite expensive, especially if you are dining at a high-end sushi restaurant or ordering premium ingredients. Some people may also be hesitant to try sushi because it often contains raw fish, which can be a concern for food safety. Sushi contains many different ingredients, which may include common allergens such as soy, wheat, and fish. And, finally, there are concerns about the sustainability of the sushi industry, particularly the overfishing of certain species of fish such as bluefin tuna. Despite these concerns, sushi remains a favorite food for many people around the world. With its unique and delicious taste, cultural significance, and many different varieties, sushi is a food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Whether you're a sushi lover or trying it for the first time, there's no denying that sushi has captured the hearts and palates of people everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.